Welcome to another edition on Cloud Meter. Today we will be exploring a very interesting aspect of technology, and since you're here for the first time, we'll begin with the basics of cloud computing. Ever wondered how companies like Netflix can instantly scale their services to handle millions of viewers, or how startups can launch their products without investing in expensive hardware? The answer lies in cloud computing. In this video, we'll break down the fundamental concepts of cloud computing, starting with the three main service models: SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet, allowing businesses to access resources on demand. Think of it as renting computing power instead of buying your own. This offers flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. SaaS, software as a service. With SaaS, you access software applications through the internet. Think of it like renting software instead of buying it. Popular SaaS examples include Google Workspace, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Salesforce CRM, and Dropbox. Now, what are possible examples of SaaS? It is simple. When a business adopts SaaS, no need for installation, automatic updates, and often subscription-based pricing. Let's talk about PaaS, Platform as a Service. PaaS provides a cloud-based platform for developers to build, run, and manage applications. It includes tools like databases, servers, and operating systems. Heroku, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, and Google App Engine are popular PaaS platforms. Focus on development, reduced infrastructure management, and scalability. Let's talk about IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. IaaS provides fundamental computing resources like servers, storage, and networking. It's like renting a data center. Amazon EC2, Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines, and Google Compute Engine are popular IaaS offerings. Advantages of infrastructure as a service: granular control over resources, flexibility, and cost optimization. Let's talk about real-world examples of cloud computing. This can be shown in how a small business uses SaaS for email and productivity. Can also be shown in how a startup uses PaaS to quickly develop and deploy a web application. We can also include how a large enterprise uses IaaS to build a scalable cloud infrastructure. We've explored the three main service models of cloud computing, which are SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or simply curious about technology, understanding cloud computing is essential in today's digital world. Stay tuned on Cloud Meter for more videos on cloud computing topics and career opportunities. See you in the next video.